Hi guys, for this episode of Geng DIY, special sikit sebab kita sekarang berada di Teluk Penyambung Resort and all our projects are sponsored by Teluk Penyambung Resort. So now, on this episode, I'm going to show you guys how we're going to make this kind of oceanic serving platter and as well as coaster. So I made a few and I'll show you guys what the materials we need. But first of all, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video. And stay tuned! Hi guys, so dalam episod Geng DIY kali ni special sikit sebab kita berada di Teluk Penyambung Resort dan saya sekarang berada di depan Sabung Mat dan di Sabung Cafe. Kita akan buat cutting board yang ada, macam mana orang kata tu? Ombak. So menggunakan resin, Epoxy Resin yang, so in a bit I will show you guys what we need for this project. So, cara untuk guna resin ni, kita kena ikut je dia punya instruction. Tapi sebab kita dah bawa jauh daripada KL, what we need is 2 parts of epoxy and 1 part of hardener. Jadi, let's say kita ada pot life of 20 minutes only. Jadi, kita kena buat semua ni laju. So, kita masukkan semuanya dalam ni. Just like that. Yeah. Okay. Let that drip. And the hardener. Okay. And the last bit, the epoxy. Wee. Alright. Now kita mix. Mix well. Baru kita boleh masukkan our colours tadi. Alright. So now kita dah mix. So we're gonna slowly pour. Okay, maybe about that much. Yang lagi satu clear. Okay, make sure you mix it well because the solution is quite weak. So now we're gonna mix in the colours. I have this and resin transparent dye in sky blue. Just sikit, about 2 drops. Okay. And then sky blue, about 3 drops tu ataupun 2 sebab colour ni nampak pekat. Okay, so now kita mix. I'm gonna add some more shimmer and another one is gold. Mix it all cepat-cepat. Kacau-kacau, lepas tu kita tuang.